look, for the young audience who are watching, you probably always knew that any technical jobs are always more than just only for a business job. It's kind of a vaguely true and vaguely right. So let me just clarify that one too, because I think that's like the first filter for you to decide a career.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make it happen. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
So when you're getting out of the school with the degree, the most important aspect is about what is the demand of your work and the skill. And then second thing is about it's not only enough, also needed about how well equipped to the marketable skill you already have, so company can just get it on and get it going. And everybody graduates from the school, but a lot more technical people, it's much easier to get a job because of two reasons. Number one, a lot more jobs that technical people is required because based on the geographical locations right now. The second thing is about how ready you are for taking the job. Your skill ready, basically. You're not, I'm talking about other aspect, but your skill and your ability to contribute for the company. So currently, to address with these two, so currently there's a huge demand on the data. There's a lot more work to be done because the data is a new thing. Like even 10 years ago, nobody even understand what is the data is about. So it's a new thing, to happen, which is now kind of become the upper layer of just for IT and system. Now data is going to sitting like on the top of it because the data can help business to create new product and services and improving their existing product and services too. And that's why I think you should consider for it depends on you. Maybe you love doing photography and you can pursue your photography. You try to turn your passion to a profession, it's okay. But if you're looking into a technical role, in particular in IT, and if you're considering to go for a well-paying jobs and executives, and you want to looking for a fast career growth, because you don't want it to have a traffic jam of your career path, because the major is more mature means there is more people is already there, and so they will be ahead of you because they was graduated before. Maybe they're smarter than you, maybe they can just work harder than you too as well. So to handle this one, so with that aspect, I would say data engineering is a really good aspect because not much traffic jam on the road when you wanted to go forward, because it's a new thing. A lot of jobs is going to open. Basically, data is cannibalizing a lot of old, out of date IT departments of work to a data department. So it's a great place to go.